On this episode, we'll be styling festival fits. Let's get into it. So for this look, we're not just looking at just a tank and shorts. We're actually looking at True Religion tank and shorts. We added a little crochet sarong, a studded belt, a bandana, sunglasses, some bangles. We have the studs on the top and then the perfect stitching all over the short, and she looks good. So I'm gonna show you how to hook up patterns and graphics for the festival season without overdoing it. I really love this top because it has the True Religion logo. It is pretty tonal and neutral, so you can kind of wear it with whatever, but the layering of it just brings it all together. He can take this off, wrap it around his waist, put it around his shoulder, do whatever he wants to do. So for this look, we don't want it to look too costumey. We have the glitter denim pant, and it's just like a baggy vibe, just really cute, really cool girl, ready to hit the desert. She has on some combat boots because, you don't want your feet to hurt too bad, when you're out there vibing, dancing, doing all the things. And then we have a lace-up top that's really trendy right now. It's really great for the desert, and the material, you're not sweating, or you are sweating, but you just don't look like you're sweating. So it's great. And then the accessories just bring it all together. Yeah, one shot, y'all. So for this look, he's looking for something that he can wear to the shows and then to the afters. I think this is very perfect for the desert, breezy, fly. You have this button-up, baggy jeans, and I think with the tank underneath, that's very like daytime, and then he could just like button it up, take off the hat, and he's ready for the afters.
Simple, can't go wrong with this.
Yeah, he said it. You heard it here first.